In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collection to enable cheats like infinite health, ammo, and more in seconds. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select this three dot icon and select downloads. Select three dot icon and select download dangerous file and select again. Once download done, double click on the trainer.exe and select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. I'm gonna turn on infinite ammo, no reload. Minimize this and get back to the game. And as you can see, the ammo has changed to infinite. And now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.